Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kiera, Clubb, with 2 B's. Yeah. Valentine's Day is coming up, and I know Valentine's Day is like not everyone's most favorite holiday, but just because you don't have a significant other, or you know, you're in a long distance relationship like me, or you don't have people that are like giving you gifts, chocolates, roses, whatever, doesn't mean you can't have a good Valentine's Day. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some like self-care, self-love tips and ideas for you to have a good Valentine's Day. This isn't anything fancy by any means, but it's just some things that I like to do, and you can obviously tailor this to yourself or do whatever you want. I'm not telling you how to live your life, but these are some things that I like to do and I wanted to share them with you. So I hope you guys enjoy, and you know, let's just get right into it. Let's see what I do for Valentine's Day, because I don't even know yet. So first up, I'm gonna be taking a bath. And quite frankly, I never take baths, so I thought this would be, you know, like a change, something new to try. And I have some bath bombs I've been wanting to try out. I'm going to be using some of my favorite products I have, such as this Lush body conditioner that smells so freaking good. I love it so much. Baths are super relaxing, and I think it's just a good way to wind down, you know, light some candles, listen to some music, or, you know, play Netflix, watch Netflix while you're in the bath. Do whatever you want to do. So post-bath, I decided I was going to put on a face mask to really clear out my pores and make my skin feel a little bit healthier and cleaner, because as you guys saw, I have some friends on my face, so I wanted to, you know, get rid of those toxic relationships I have. So after about 15 minutes, I washed off my face mask, and then I decided I was going to paint my nails. Painting my nails is another thing I rarely ever do. I'm not a girl that has fake nails on all the time or anything like that. I don't go to the nail salon. My nails are always bare and plain, but I kind of like it like that. But I thought it would be fun to switch it up and paint my nails, because I do like having them painted sometimes. So I just use this pretty like dark maroon red color. Thought it'd be fitting for Valentine's Day. So finally, my last item on the list for my self-care day is sitting down with a good book and a cup of tea to enjoy my evening. I personally really love reading, and right now I'm reading a book by Lawrence Anthony. He's a really great author and conservationist, or was, I suppose, because he passed away a few years ago, so RIP to him. But he did a lot of great things, and I really like this book that I'm reading now. But if you're not into reading, you can always watch some Netflix or a movie and sip on some tea or hot chocolate, a warm beverage, and enjoy the rest of your evening. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I hope you all have a lovely Valentine's Day, and it's filled with lots of love for yourself and all of your loved ones. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!